Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to do the anti benchmark test comparison between the iQOO Z5 versus Realme GT Master Edition by using the GT mode and with using the Monster mode. And this after the recent software updates in this device, friends. So which is a security patch update which I did receive in the Realme GT Master Edition. But till now there is no information about the Realme UI 3.0 not yet. But let's see using this kind of latest versions and even the anti benchmark test as well. And using GT mode and Monster mode, how much performance we can actually expect from this both phones. And first, all the apps are completely clear from the background RAM management, and let me try to enable the full screen gestures even in this device as well, because I'm trying to use full screen gestures in this phone. So both phones are enabled with the full screen gestures and all the apps are completely clear from the background RAM management. So let's enable the GT mode. So there should be somewhere around here GT mode, yes, and Monster mode. So GT mode is on and the Monster mode is also on. Both phones are turned on exactly. And now let me need to start the benchmark test between these both phones, and let's start. Right now the test has been successfully started between these both phones, and let's check the temperatures is about kind of close, 29 degrees and 27 degrees Celsius. Let's see if it's using the Monster mode and using the GT mode, how much difference with the Snapdragon 778G processors we can actually expect between these both phones. So these are the few things which we'll try to concentrate. Let me slightly decrease the volume. And I will be back after some time just to check what is happening overall with the temperatures between these both phones at this process of testing. And in case if you want me to do any other comparison side by side, let me know in the comment section below, friends. And this using only Monster mode and the GT mode. Again, I'll be back after some time. So right now, as you can see, friends, the percentage reached up to 60 and 54% at this moment, and 32 degrees Celsius and 31 degrees Celsius regarding the temperatures overall, 32 and 31. Pretty close, only 1 degree higher in the iQOO Z5. I think maybe 0.5 degree might be maybe. Otherwise 1 degree is higher. Not much huge difference, but let's see what will happen with the iQOO Z5 enhanced performance, enhanced UFS storage and enhanced LPDDR RAM as well, which is present in the iQOO Z5. So I can be back after some time. So right now as you can see, it's 94 and 90% regarding the overall anti benchmark percentage, and temperature is about close to 32 degrees Celsius and 32.2 degrees Celsius in the Realme GT Master Edition. Not bad, that's pretty close regarding the temperatures at the end of the test results. Nothing much huge difference at this moment. Yes, both phones are having similar kind of temperatures, friends, 32.4 as well, 32.6. So let's see, friends, what will happen with the overall results. CPU and the GPU, which phone will be having what kind of score? CPU, GPU. So that's what I'm going to concentrate in this video at this point. So now we'll be able to see exactly. And the first phone to finish the anti benchmark test will be the iQOO Z5, I guess. So let's see. As you can see, the iQOO Z5 did finish the test first. That's a pretty high score, 5,66,000 score, 66,000. Let's see, friends, what will happen with the Realme GT Master Edition. Can this score anywhere near to this or not? So only 30 degrees it did increase, that's it, not much. And here is the Realme GT Master Edition. Finally, we got the benchmark comparison side by side. And right now you will be able to see exactly, friends, what's happening. So 1,66,000 versus 1,63,000, 1,66 and 1,54. You can see both CPU and the GPU are exactly similar, nothing much huge difference. 166 and 166. That's pretty same. And 163 and 154. The GPU is slightly kind of performed lower in the Realme GT Master Edition when compared with the iQOO Z5. You can clearly see, friends, both phones are having exactly same GPU Adreno 642L, but still the iQOO Z5 was able to perform slightly better because of enhanced versions, I think so maybe the phone has got. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this quick comparison between these both phones regarding the anti benchmark test. And overall iQOO Z5 was able to have the slightly higher scores than the Realme GT Master Edition. Meanwhile, signing off, friends, thank you for watching. This complete test is done only using GT mode and the Monster mode. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.